my name's Emily and I am the head of concierge.
And my name's Andrea and I am the concierge assistant.
So once the client is passed to the concierge team from Tom or John when they've completed their sales documents, we will set them up on our portal, which is called Teamwork. So the first thing they receive is an invitation to join the portal. This is what we use to track the journey that they're about to embark on with building the vehicle. It milestone marks all of the important parts of their build. So when they're going to start the design process, all of the stages we go through in that. It marks when their base vehicle will arrive with us here, and then all the way through to completion and delivery of the vehicle.
I personally, as a concierge assistant, have more of an internal role with E.C.D. I work a lot with the upholstery and the paint department in order to gather samples for our clients and just mail it out to them so that they can have a better idea on their array of choices and things like that. My favorite part is kind of the final step. So I build the delivery kit bags. That's the final touch with all of the paperwork and the little goodies that we place in the truck before we ship them out to our client. And it's really nice to see the truck fully built and just see how that client's vision had come to life. I think if I could choose any other department to work with, it would be graphic design, just because they have this level of talent and creativity and taking that client's vision and they make it come to life with a computer screen, and I think that's just really cool and a great talent to have.
I think I would like to work with QC and all the final checks, because I feel like I would be super picky, and I'm sure my husband would agree that I would have a good eye for the details and all the final finishing touches. And I also really enjoy driving the trucks once they're finished. They're really cool to drive in, so getting to kind of experience that and see the trucks through their final checks and sign off would be lots of fun.